pull it down like Noel. So, I know I hate to compare myself, but no, I'm honored to be among a wonderful group of conservatives today. So that's exciting. And I'm honored to serve you as a conservative justice on the Arkansas Supreme Court. I met a lot of you in 2020 when I traveled to all 75 counties asking for you to consider the need for a strong, bold conservative on the court. And I believe the time I've served on the court, even though we've had COVID, we've had challenges, has proven, if you read the opinions, that I have been the consistent conservative on the court, protecting the God-given rights in our Constitution. And today I brought a Constitution because I agree, I mean, in about a month we're going to be celebrating our Constitution on Constitution Day, and I hope you all remember September 17th. And we should continue to recognize the importance not just of our United States Constitution, but the Constitution of the state of Arkansas. And I think from
to be able to know Arkansas has a
speak of
constitution.
experience, I know I've talked about that a lot in the last race, but I have been from private practice to prosecuting attorney to now the justice on the Supreme Court. I've been in courtrooms across the state. I've handled all types of law, from business law to criminal law to administrative law. And I believe I'm the only justice, with all due respect to my opponents, the only justice on the court that has hands-on courtroom experience trying those cases and understand the need for a strong Chief Justice on the Supreme Court. I also served as a circuit judge. I served as a city court judge. The Chief Justice has a lot of management of the court. And I served as a chief law judge for the workers' comp system, so I managed other judges on the workers' comp system. I also was the CEO of workers' comp, and so I managed the state budget. I manage personnel, and that's a large part of this job as Chief Justice, is to be a good manager and to let the people that are trained, to let them fill their gifts and let God lead those people to do a good job for the state of Arkansas. And I also believe in separation of powers, and I think that we are in a unique situation in Arkansas where we now have a strong, bold governor, we have a strong, bold legislature, and we need a strong, bold, conservative Supreme Court. And I would like to be that strong leader to modernize our court. We need to modernize the court. We have young people who don't know what the world was like without a cell phone. And we have people that have access to Webbs and things like that. And the court has been a little bit slow. I mean, fortunately, COVID caused us to go fast track and catch up with technology. So now we use Zoom, now we use some other technology. And thanks to our administration, we're getting internet around the state, and that's going to help. And so one thing I'd like to do is continue to modernize the court and help make the access to justice in the state easier for people. We're putting kiosks in all the courthouses, so you can go to a kiosk in your courthouse and look up a case, or look up a legal form. If you can't afford an attorney, you can look up a legal form that might be beneficial to you. So I think that's the thing we've got to keep doing. And I'm the only candidate in the race, as you know, to serve as a prosecuting attorney. I know the importance of those cases that come before the Supreme Court that involve life and death sentences. I know the importance that these trials, these juries that convict these criminals expect for those criminals to serve the sentences that they hand down. And thank you. And so I think